In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files by Dropbox. Welcome everyone. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to share important documents or pictures with friends, family, or colleagues, you know that finding an easy, efficient, and secure way to do so can sometimes be a bit of a challenge. That's where Dropbox comes into play. Dropbox is an incredibly handy tool that helps you share files with just a few clicks. So if you're ready to learn how to streamline your file sharing process, let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to Dropbox.com. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Dropbox has to offer. Once you're on the site, the interface is pretty straightforward, designed to get you to where you need to be without hassle. After you've reached the home page, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in page, where you can enter your credentials. However, if you prefer a quicker route and you have a Google account, you can simplify this process. Dropbox offers an option to continue with Google. This means you can use your Google account to log into Dropbox, saving you the trouble of remembering an extra set of login information. It's all about making the process as seamless as possible for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you want to head over to the Files section. This page is essentially the heart of Dropbox, where all your stored files and folders are displayed. It's a well-organized space that allows you to navigate through your files easily. Now for the main event, sharing a file. As you browse through your files in the Files section, identify the document or photo you want to share. When you've found it, hover your mouse over the file and you'll see a Share button appear. This button is your ticket to sharing your file with someone else. Clicking on Share brings up a new window. Here you'll see an option to type in the email address of the person you want to share the file with. It's as simple as entering their email, but remember to double check for typos to ensure the file reaches the right person. After you've entered the email address, all that's left to do is hit the Share File button. And just like that, you've successfully shared a file with another person via Dropbox. It's worth noting that the recipient will receive an email notification, making it easy for them to access the shared file right away. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to sharing files via Dropbox. Before we wrap up this tutorial, let's touch on a few additional tips that might enhance your Dropbox experience. First, you can share files with multiple people at once by simply adding more email addresses in the sharing window. Also, remember to regularly organize your files within Dropbox to keep your workspace clean and efficient. Lastly, always ensure that you're sharing files with the intended recipients to maintain security and privacy. Thank you for joining me today to learn about sharing files with Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing family photos, or just sending a document, Dropbox makes the process simple and secure. Happy sharing, and see you in the next tutorial.